been a while since I've done a video. I don't know what the heck to make videos on anymore, guys. I don't know. Buddy finally dropped off some parts for a dirt bike. So this is it's a stator plate. The ears in the old one there they broke off. So we got this stator plate, and then we got a new stator in the container. But it's been tucked away in the back here for so long that gotta do a bit of digging to get her out. Can you tell what I've been doing? It could be getting cold out. Okay, so I gotta move a bunch of stuff here. With some chairs, there's the Banshee, there's the old Trials bike, some stuff. There she is right there. Been sitting over like this like all summer. So I'm gonna do some rearranging, get the table soft. Maybe I'm gonna move the sheet out of the way to bring it back there when I get it over here in the corner. Maybe use a piece of wood here to stand her up. Yeah. Before we get this going here, a little cold in my shop, so let's get a fire going here. Give me some heat. Oh, baby. There she is. She's coming up in temperature. Oh, yeah. Best part about this system there is if you're cold in the wintertime, you come in here, you grab a pipe, nice and toasty warm. Okay, I'm gonna go get that bike out here, set it up here, and show you what happened to her. So we got the old part sitting up here. Here's the old stator plate. And if you look closely at it here, I tried to JB weld those fingers back on there, but yeah, nothing doing. Pretty inexpensive part. Boy, that seals off the big one. Take that seal out of there. That's the problem with buying stuff on eBay. You never really know what you're getting. So I got my container parts here. Yeah. There's my customized piece there. Focus, you piece of junk. Yeah. Bits and pieces. So this is where we stand. Now, I did mention to the owner that timing chain. Come on, focus. Yeah. The timing chain is awfully loose, but doesn't really want to do anything about it. But kind of loose there yet. Maybe I can just shim this guy up here, bring it up a little bit, maybe squeeze on that chain just a little bit more. But all in all, it's actually pretty clean in here. This is one of those times I didn't just go like ape and just rip everything apart. Took some time, clean things out. Yeah, so I'm gonna get that stator plate in there and see if I can get her fire up. Alright, new stator's in there. New stator plate. You can see in the back there. Got her all naked down here and see if she's got some spark. Got the old drill. Oh baby, I see spark. It'd be nice if we could focus this a little better. Focus. Hey, there we go. A little better. Need an actual camera. I've been using my freaking cell phone. My videos. Oh, yeah. It's not as nice blue. Turn it off there and see if it turns the spark off. Right on. So what do you say we put the baby bottle to her? Here's my bottle. This is still the same gas that I used last spring to get the dune buggy going. So, pretty, yeah. Oh. What was that? Okay, whatever. Shop ghosts. So let's put the spark plug back in there. Okay. Try to do this one-handed here. Come on, baby. Alright, spark plug is installed. I'm not going to tighten her up. It's not going to hurt nothing. Plug this baby in here. So I better go through this and show this to you. So chasing spark on this machine, this bike, I did new coil, and this is a racing CDI, which I thought, you know, might as well put that in here and have a little bit of zip in this old machine. Because I'm about 250 pounds, and I kind of want to ride this machine. Oh, okay. Open that up a bit. Okay, a little bit of juice in here. Oh, yeah, that's way too much. As Vice Grip Garage would say, perfect. All right. What do you think? Think it'll fire? See if the drill's got enough pizzazz to turn it over. Oh. It's wanting to. Oh, listen to that timing chain. Ooh. Well, it runs. It's got a pretty good rattle. Okay, now to button her up and go outside for a ball freezing rip. Seeing as it's like, I don't know, -7, -8 degrees Celsius here today. Not ideal dirt bike weather, but yeah, let's go have some fun. So now I was thinking, you know, in an effort to be somewhat intelligent, I thought, you know what? It sat over there for like 8 months with the side of the engine open. I wonder if it's got any oil. So I don't think it's got any oil. So I just run it with no oil. So maybe that's what all that rattling is all about. I'm pretty sure there's no oil in it. So you know what you do when you're out in the middle of nowhere? Like where I live? No oil. Stupid camera won't focus. Come on. Oh, whatever. You can't really tell. There is no oil in it. So I'm going to put some oil in it. And then we'll go outside for a ball freezing rip. Right? Yeah. I guess I forgot. So, what kind of oil? So somebody asked me one time what kind of oil you put in these machines. All honesty, you go over to the counter over here, and you look through all your oil, and you find the one that you can put in there. This, obviously, I'm not going to put in there. That's for my pickup, that Royal Purple. There's some tranny fluid or something here. But yeah, so what I found was, should be okay for a dirt bike with lots of hours on it. I found some Lucas 530. I wish this freaking thing would focus. Some Lucas 530. Jesus, focus. Come on, you can do it. Focus. Not zoom. Don't want to zoom. I want to focus. Okay, whatever. Doesn't want to work. But anyway, that's the kind of oil that I put in there. So then I got to thinking, maybe the timing chain was rattling and bouncing around because there's no oil pressure, because it uses oil pressure to keep that pin and that spring tight. So yeah, now we're trying to give it a shot. But I was going to go outside for a ride. I really was. I really wanted to go outside for a ride. You know, and I've been up for a couple hours and whatnot, and I thought, yeah, let's go for a ride. Yeah, that's not going to happen. It's, yeah, dark. And, yeah, I'm a pussy, so I ain't going outside. But, yeah. Push the wrong button. Okay, well, let's see if it'll fire up with just the kick here. If we can get it to go here. No kickstand, so I got it sitting up on this log. Nothing yet. Oh my God, is it ever overflowing? Oh, that carb is a little overflowing there. That's not good. Do some adjustment on the carburetor. So I changed my mind. I'm gonna go for a ride. Well, just hang on. Let me take this out for a little ride. I don't think you're gonna be able to see much, but that doesn't run too bad.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, look out, miss. Okay. Now that I said that. Oh. All right, what the, oh. That thing is super overfilled. All right. Okay, no ride. Fix it. Of course it won't fire up on camera, and it dies. Hey, one-handed here. Let's see if we can do this. Oh yeah, that's all black. So much for my video skills. I can't see anything. Hey, here we go. Whee! Holy crap, it's cold. Running out of space on my phone. Okay, here we go. All gone. Goodbye.